My name is Tom Rowlings and I'm the Assistant Fleet Manager for the City of Cambridge. So I started off as a mechanic. I always wanted to be a mechanic, and I found that the natural progression was into fleet management. When I started looking for fleet management software, normally when working in a municipality, the purchase would go to the lowest bidder, but in this case, Fleetio is on the Gsa Contract, so it makes the process much simpler. We made a list of everything we were looking for, and then we considered the price after that. I first heard about Fleetio at a Samsara convention, and it came up in discussion with other fleet managers, so I decided to check it out for myself. I found that Cambridge Police and Fire had already been using Fleetio software. So in my pitch to management, it showed that it was a proven product within the city of Cambridge, and we were just expanding on what was already being utilized in other departments.
Hi, my name's John. I'm the fleet manager here at the Department of Public Works for Cambridge. We manage about 180, 190 pieces of equipment. Before Fleetio, our processes were antiquated, hard to read, and not as user-friendly, I would say. My bosses could never see the data real time and couldn't see what was going on with the fleet. And everybody had to stop what they're doing and come to a meeting to see everything and get all the data they needed on the fly. Now, they pull up a report or see it on the system. They can tell what trucks are done just by pulling up and looking at it.
For the rollout process, the guys all received an iPad with the Fleetio Go app, where they were able to take a couple of days, figure it out on their own because the app is so simple. Fleetio has made it easier for my mechanics to track their time and report what they've been working on.
It allowed them to be more proficient in the shop to get the data input instead of me having to put it in the later the next night, that night, or next morning. So it was all right there every day. Every time we wanted to look at it, we could pull it up and see what this guy did that day. Track the time as well, track the labor, track the parts, things like that. Much better than antiquated paper, handwritten jobs.
What Fleetio now allows us to do is collect data to build the metrics that we never had. We never had any way to calculate vehicle downtime or even return on investment or overall cost of doing business. There was never a way to capture that prior to Fleetio. With the integrations with other softwares, it allows us to see cost per mile, it allows us to see vehicle downtime, vehicle utilization, everything all in one place. We are even using Fleetio to improve on our purchasing and inventory management processes. This is our parts inventory where we keep all of our parts labeled and barcoded in Fleetio. So with the Fleetio Go app, when we're taking inventory or receiving a new part, we scan the barcode to add the parts to work orders, as well as receive the parts in when an order is placed. This way we can see how many items we have on hand and how many items we've used and need to reorder. For anybody looking for fleet management software, Fleetio allows you to do DVIRs, work orders, time management, purchase orders, anything you would need to run an efficient fleet operation.
I would say you should do it sooner than later. It saves you time, it saves you money, quicker response time to get vehicles back in the street doing what they're supposed to do.